Right now, someone is handing over $50,000 for a truck. By year 7, the engine is scrap metal. The dealer knew it when they signed the paperwork. Meanwhile, on a highway in the Midwest, a truck just rolled past 1 million miles. Same fuel, same roads, different engine. That gap between those two trucks is not luck. It is the 12 engines on this list, and the fact that the industry would rather you never found out which ones they are. Stay until the end, because the last motors are definitely the best ones. We start at number 12. The Chevrolet 4.3-liter Vortec V6. Most truck buyers walked past this engine without a second look. That was a mistake. GM did not build this from scratch. They carved it straight out of the 350 V8 platform. Same bore spacing, same valve train DNA. Cast iron block, not aluminum. Cast iron absorbs heat cycles without warping. From 1985 to 2014, this engine powered the S10, Silverado 1500, and GMC Canyon. Early versions produced 200 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. In 1996, sequential fuel injection cleaned up the combustion cycle further. Owners regularly crossed 290,000 miles without touching the bottom end. Simple architecture, no turbos, no variable displacement. Nothing to fail that does not need to exist. Number 11. The Ford 300 cubic inch Inline 6, a rugged workhorse. 31 years of production, 1965 to 1996. No engine survives 31 years in production by accident. Mechanics called it the tractor engine. That was the highest compliment they knew how to give. 7 main bearings support the crankshaft. Thick cast iron block with walls built for abuse. Overhead valve design with almost nothing to break. Early models made 101 horsepower and 283 pound-feet of torque. Later versions climbed to 150 horsepower. In 1987, Ford added fuel injection and extended its life even further. All that torque arrived at 1,600 revolutions per minute. You did not need to rev it. You did not need to baby it. Owners pushed these past 300,000 miles. Some documented units hit 500,000 miles with standard maintenance. No drama, no tricks. Number 10. The AMC 4.0-liter Inline 6, the backbone of the Jeep. Cherokee XJ from 1987 to 2001. Fewer moving parts mean fewer things to fail. That's not a slogan. That's the entire engineering philosophy of this block. 190 horsepower, 225 pound-feet of torque. The Inline 6 design is inherently balanced, with less vibration and less stress on gaskets and mounts. Real-world owners documented 350,000 miles before any major drivetrain work. The off-road punishment these engines absorbed over 14 years of production would have destroyed most modern engines by 60,000 miles. Cherokee owners still hunt the XJ specifically because of this block. That kind of demand 23 years after production ended tells you everything you need to know. Number 9. The Toyota 22R Inline 4, produced from 1981 to 1997. This is the engine that built Toyota's reputation on American soil. 2.4 liters, cast iron block, aluminum head, timing chain instead of a belt. One single design choice that added hundreds of thousands of miles to engine lifespan. 97 horsepower and 129 pound-feet of torque. Not the fastest. That was never the point. The point was surviving any elevation, any temperature, any level of neglect. 300,000 miles was common. Some documented builds hit 500,000. Off-road crews still hunt these down for trail rigs and overland builds. The aftermarket for a 40-year-old 4-cylinder engine remains enormous. That's not nostalgia. That's a track record. Every engine so far shares the same design language. No complexity for complexity's sake. The most reliable truck engines ever built weren't the most powerful, they were the most disciplined. But now we move into diesel territory. And here is where the numbers become almost impossible to believe. One of these engines has a verified odometer reading that mechanics refuse to accept until they saw it with their own eyes. We'll get there. First, the gas engine that Dodge owners still refuse to part with. Number 8. The Dodge 5.9-liter V8 Magnum. It powered Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 trucks from 1992 to 2003. 245 horsepower, 335 pound-feet of torque, cast iron block, aluminum heads, deep skirt engine block design. The deep skirt wraps around the crankshaft for structural support. Something most engineers stopped caring about in the name of weight savings. Oversized bearings, hydraulic roller camshaft that cut friction intentionally. None of those are accidents. Every one of those choices was made to add life to the engine. Owners routinely crossed 350,000 miles. When a diesel was not in the budget, this was the gas engine that simply would not die. Number 7. The Chevrolet Small Block 5.8 5.7-liter, an American standard since 1955. The compact design improved cooling efficiency and reduced thermal stress across the block. Pushrod architecture kept the moving part count low. That translates directly to fewer failure points and longer service life. Trucks with this engine regularly crossed 500,000 miles under proper maintenance. Over 90 million units were built across all applications. No engine reaches that volume without earning it. It evolved constantly through decades of production, with better materials and tighter tolerances. The LT1 and the L82 are notable revisions, each getting cleaner. Mechanics today still reach for this block for engine swaps and restorations. Simple engineering that outlasted every trend the industry threw at it. Number 6. The Nissan VQ40DE V6. It was built from 2005 to 2012 for the Frontier and Xterra. Part of Nissan's award-winning VQ engine family, a family that won Ward's 10 Best Engines list multiple times. 60-degree V6 configuration, aluminum block and heads with a ladder frame structure reinforcing the bottom end, timing chain instead of a belt, 261 horsepower, 281 pound-feet of torque, variable valve timing on both intake and exhaust camshafts for smooth power delivery across the entire RPM range. Frontiers with this engine routinely crossed 250,000 miles. And then there is Brian Murphy's delivery truck in Colorado, documented at 1 million miles on the original engine, 1 million miles on a V6 in a compact truck. That story did not get a press release. It got discovered because the odometer stopped making sense. 6 engines down, 6 left. The ones coming up belong in a different category entirely. Because the remaining 6 do not just last a long time, they redefined what long means for a working truck engine. One of them has a verified 2.6 million mile record on a single block. But before that, we need to talk about the diesel that Ford produced over 2 million units of. Because when a manufacturer reaches 2 million units, the service history writes itself, and this engine's history is almost unfair. Number 5. The Ford 7.3-liter Power Stroke, the diesel engine that turned the F250 and F350 into legends. Production ran from 1994 to 2003. Mechanics still call it the million-mile engine without irony. 275 horsepower, 525 pound-feet of torque, cast iron block, forged steel connecting rods, self-adjusting hydraulic lifters that reduced maintenance intervals. The direct injection system on this engine is mechanically simpler than anything Ford built after it, and that simplicity is exactly why it lasts. Ford produced over 2 million of these. Many crossed 500,000 miles with basic maintenance. Fleet operators ran them into the ground, and they kept going. Every complaint about modern diesel engines eventually circles back to this one, as the standard everything else is compared against. Number 4. The Cummins 5.9-liter 12-valve inline 6. Ram trucks from 1989 to 1998. Mechanically injected fuel delivery. No electronic control unit governs the fuel system. If your truck's electronics fail, the engine still runs. That is not a small detail. That is the difference between stranded and moving. A cast iron block and forged steel connecting rods give this engine serious durability. The 12-valve design is the purest version of this platform. It has fewer emission components, fewer failure points, and fewer reasons for the engine to stop. 300,000 miles was the floor for owners who maintained it properly. Then there is Howard Clayton's 2000 Dodge Ram, with 2.6 million miles on the Cummins 5.9. That is approximately 104 trips around the circumference of the Earth. Every other diesel on this list gets compared to that number. Number 3. The 6.6-liter LBZ Duramax. Produced from 2006 to 2007. 2 years. Only 2 years of production, and mechanics still argue this is the finest diesel block ever installed in an American pickup. 360 horsepower. 650 pound-feet of torque. An aluminum alloy block reduces weight without sacrificing rigidity. 6 head bolts per cylinder, twice the standard, to keep head gaskets sealed under extreme boost. Bosch high-pressure common rail injection delivers fuel with a precision that older mechanical systems could not approach. Hugh and Tammy Pennington drove their Chevrolet Silverado, powered by the LBZ, for 1.2 million miles over 7 years. Same engine, no rebuild. 7 years. General Motors discontinued it in 2007 to comply with new federal emissions regulations. The diesel community still has not forgiven them. That reaction tells you exactly what they lost. Number 2. The Cummins 6.7-liter turbo diesel, a true workhorse. It powers Ram trucks from 2007 to the present. Its inline 6 design uses a cast iron block and a forged steel crankshaft. It has a gear-driven camshaft with no timing chain or belt to wear out. It makes 385 horsepower and 900 pound-feet of torque. You find it in Ram 2500 and Ram 3500 trucks, and on commercial platforms including Freightliner and Peterbilt. That last point is the real credibility marker. Commercial trucking companies do not select engines based on marketing. They select based on cost per mile over a 10-year service window. And the 6.7 earns that contract repeatedly. Documented service records show verified mileage past 520,000 miles with original internal components. Diesel engines are built with tighter tolerances and heavier rotating assemblies than gasoline engines. They are designed to run every day for decades. Number 1. The Toyota 2UZ FE 4.7-liter V8. Produced from 1998 to 2009. Found in the Sequoia, Land Cruiser, and Tundra. Cast iron block. Aluminum double overhead cam heads. 32 valves. 271 horsepower. 313 pound-feet of torque. Toyota engineered this block with conservative tolerances, meaning the rotating assembly is built stronger than the power output actually demands. That gap between design stress and operational stress is exactly where longevity lives. 300,000 miles is common. Documented examples hit 400,000 miles with no internal work. Oil consumption is almost non-existent in properly maintained units. The one known weakness is a timing belt. Replace it at the scheduled interval, and this engine punishes you for nothing. Miss it, and the engine punishes you for everything. That is the only bargain it asks for. Toyota built this to last longer than the truck around it. In most cases, it does. 12 engines, all of them still turning in trucks you can find on the road right now. The pattern is identical across every single one, with conservative engineering, heavy rotating assemblies, simple fuel systems, and no unnecessary complexity. The industry moved away from most of these designs. They called it progress. The mechanics who rebuild the replacements have a different word for it. If you want to know which modern truck engines are already failing at 80,000 miles, that video is next.